What's up, guys? It's like 30 degrees outside. It's fucking freezing. Bored. Not in school. So, cold start, bitches. Polaris 2-cycle. Look at the camera. Yeah, you can barely see that, but fuck it. Hasn't been started in like, I don't know, like a month. Oh shit. Also got a wheelie video of this from the summer I found on my camera, so that should be up on YouTube soon. Just gotta edit it a little bit. On. Joke. Bitch. Only when she's cold. She'll clear down. Alright, I'm gonna go ride her around. Catch you guys later.